today let's start with chapter number 5. Know about early. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the early men, those who lives in the caves or jungle and they spend their life searching for food and livelihood from one place to another. So early human used to live in jungles and their life was hard. बहुत hard थी उनकी life. To protect themselves from wild animals, they lived in caves. वो जो भी अवेलेबल होता जंगल में वो सब चीजें खाते थे. They ate fruits of trees or roots of plants. They would kill a wild animal and eat its flesh raw. It was not easy for the earlier human men to find the food at one place. So that's why they have to move from one place to another. वो क्या करते थे, एक place से दूसरी place जाते थे, search of food. Now, tools of early men. Early human we had difficulty in taking out the roots of plant from the ground. So they could not kill wild animals with their bare hands. So they started using small and big stones to kill the animals, and these were the first tools that human beings used in search of food. So it was not easy for them to use the stone tool properly. So what they did, they started sharpening the stone. उन्होंने wooden sticks का use करा animals को scare करने के लिए, डराने के लिए, right? Then afterward, early human kept on improving their tools and they searched for stone that could be cut easily. उन्होंने फिर sharpen stone tool का use करा. They learned to tie them along a wooden stick. उन्होंने उससे क्या बनाया, spear बनाया, right? Tools change the life of early human and they search for food. They become easier with the use of sharp tools. But it took many years. भाई बहुत time लगा for the early human to learn to use these tools. So early human being had no clothes to wear. उन पे किसी भी तरीके के कोई clothes नहीं होते थे पहनने के लिए. They used to cover their body with the skin of animals, leaves or barks of. Then we have discovery of fire. So when what happened, one day they were sitting and they had started rubbing the two stones, and what happened, a spark of light come out, and from that only the invention of fire has been done. Early human eat their food raw. They do not know how to. When they seen the forest in the fire in the forest, so they learn to make the fire rubbing two stones or two bamboo sticks together. Use of fire. भाई एक तो उनको वार्म रखता था at the time of cold climate. Now it might have been incident with a piece of raw flesh fell into fire. क्या हुआ, जब वो सर से रब कर रहे थे तो एक raw meat वो फायर में गिर जाता है, फिर वो रोस्ट क्या हो जाता है, फ्राई हो जाता है, ठीक है, रोस्ट हो जाता है, एंड इट वाज वेरी टेस्ट हुआ उसमें. सो दैट हेल्प इन रोस्टिंग द raw meat. They started cooking their food by roasting in the fire. उन्होंने क्या करा, खाने मतलब अपने जो खाना है उसको रोस्ट करना स्टार्ट करा, which become tastier. इसमें थोड़ा टेस्ट आया. And this is how discovery of fire helped us early, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.